Welcome to our new listing in Ahwatukee's 55 plus community. It's 1,968 square feet, completely updated and remodeled in summer of 2019. This home has mountain views and backs to a green space, so it's very quiet. The community has a rec center with yoga, cardio equipment, pickleball, and pools. You're also right down the road from the Ahwatukee Country Club, which has a casual clubhouse and fun course. All right, I love this kitchen. It's got kind of my favorite thing. It's got the dovetail construction, full extension drawers, and their soft close. Our favorite feature about this house is this huge great room. Right off the huge great room is the master suite. In the front of the house is our second bedroom and our second bath. And out back here, you got a low maintenance lock and leave backyard. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. Get on over here and take a look at this quickly.